every value in the list appears exactly twice, except one lonely value that appears only once. In 4, 1, 2, 1, 2, the 2's and 1's are paired, and 4 stands alone. We want that single value, ideally without any extra memory. There is a neat trick using exclusiver. Exclusiver has two magical properties. A number combined with itself gives 0, and a number combined with 0 gives itself back. So if we exclusiver every element together, each value that appears twice cancels itself out to 0. The only value left standing is the one that appeared once. The order does not even matter. We start a result at 0. We fold every element into it with exclusiver. Each paired value cancels itself to 0 along the way. So when the loop finishes, the result is exactly the value that appeared only once. Let's write the exclusiver fold and find the loner. We start the accumulator at 0, the neutral value for exclusiver. We fold every element in with exclusiver, and paired values quietly cancel to 0. What survives is the one value that appeared a single time. Now let's test it and hit run. In the first list, 4 is the loner. In the second, it is 7, and in the third, it is 9. Every pair cancels, and only the single value is left. We start the result at 0 and exclusiver each item into it. Paired values cancel, and when the items run out, the result is the loner. We pass over the list once, so order end time, and we keep a single accumulator, so order one space. A hash set approach would also work, but would cost extra memory. This trick assumes every other value appears exactly twice, so the pairs cancel cleanly. Start your accumulator at 0, the identity for exclusiver. And if some value could repeat 3 times instead of twice, you would need a different approach.